Hi everybody, good evening. So, welcome to the session on speed mathematics. Now, a lot of hi, just a quick confirmation. You'll okay. I'll just take a minute and I'll just try and start my router again. Okay, good evening. I've restarted this router also once. Let's hope everything works fine now. Okay, good evening. Just quickly confirm now whether everything is okay and you can hear me and see me. Okay, great. Good evening. So yeah, as we were discussing, a lot of times students ask me, sir, after CAT has allowed calculator, do we really need speed maths? Do we need to know our calculations well and all that? So I have a very simple logic to it. Have you ever tried using the calculator on screen? The calculator, which the way the CAT provides it, you should be aware that there is no keyboard provided. Okay, there is no keyboard provided, and because there is no keyboard provided, you have to use the mouse. The calculations on the mouse are really bad. Yes, there will be a lot of calculations you should be using the calculator for. I'll explain what kind of calculation should you be using the calculator for. But the other things like knowing basic stuff and all, using your calculator in such a way, using your mind in such a way that for basic stuff you don't have to use a calculator. Like very frankly, if I have to multiply a 2-digit number with a 2-digit number, I would not want to use a calculator. I would want to use rough work. 3-digit, in fact, this particular class which I used to do now, used to have a 3-digit into 3-digit. I don't think so it is lagging anymore, Saloni. 3-digit into 3-digit, I don't want you to use the don't want you to use any shortcut. Directly use the calculator, no problem. But very frankly, other things, not clear, sir. What do you mean by not is clear? Again, lagging. I am also seeing myself live on the mobile. It is not lagging at all. You all will have to check your calculator. I can make out when it is lagging. Right now, it is not lagging. Okay. Check once more. Quickly confirm, are we okay or is it lagging? Others just confirm lagging or okay quickly. No, Tejaswani, we've not even started. You've not missed anything. But Tejaswani, this is every day you say the same thing. Huh? Sir, I just joined. Did I miss something? So why are you always 5-10 minutes late? Okay. Well, anyway, one more thing. This class is for mainly CAT 26 students. So I'm going to look at a long-term perspective. I'm going to talk about what you should do in the long term, how should you practice things and all that. Okay, great. What do we expect you to know? Now I'm talking, as I said, for a CAT 2026 student. What do we expect you to know? There are the more you know, the faster your calculations become. Like tell me different approaches, just like thought here. What is the fastest way to do 18 multiplied by 22? What is 18 multiplied by 22 and what is the fastest way of doing it? Quickly. There can be different approaches for 18 multiplied by 22, but the fastest way is to know the answer. As I said, there can be 1,000 different methods. Yeah. No, but the fastest way still is if you know it by heart. If you know it by heart, you will never beat any method ka speed. So one simple logic is the more you know, the faster you get. Obviously, we can't expect you to know all multiplications. Otherwise, it is obviously 18 into 20, 18 into 2 and add them up. So otherwise it is this 18 20s is 360 plus 18 2 is 36, 396 ho gaya. Somebody can use one more approach. 18 is nothing but 20 minus 2 and 20 plus 2, which is a minus b into a plus b, which will become 20 square minus 2 square, 400 minus 4, 396. But will you be faster if somebody knows the answer? No, right? So that logic will always work, that if you know the answer, you'll be the fastest. And that is why I always make a list of things which I expect people to know. Tables, where do I expect you to know? I expect you know till 20. Now, a lot of time I tell students I expect you to know till table till 20. And then I suddenly ask them what is 19 17s or 18 15s, and they're all suddenly, oh, what's happening? Sir, but tables to sirf 12 tak hote. Kisne bola hai? So what I would suggest today is make an Excel sheet. Make an Excel sheet where you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up till 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up till 20. And if you finish all this many numbers, if you put it over here, your whole tables will be completed. You will get all the calculations. Right? Now, because all the numbers below will repeat. So it's a very simple logic. First thing, I want you to know all tables till 20 at least. Next time I ask you 18 15s sochne nahi baithna chahiye. You have to know it. Yes, you can say, sir, 18 15s are 180 plus 90. Great. But 270 you should know orally. Okay. So tables I want you to know. Now remember, this is not an overnight thing. This is not an overnight thing. I don't want you to say, okay, chalo, my next 1 week I'll buy hard tables and do it. No. I want you to, so from what we learned today, no, I want you to create a sheet. Make a rough sheet or whatever you want to do. Make a rough sheet and revise that sheet every alternate day for 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes. That's it. Every alternate day, just spend 5 minutes on that sheet. You don't need to spend more time. If you do that from here till CAT 26, every alternate day, you will be very, very good with your calculations. Okay? Then I want you to know squares. Squares में मेरा थोड़ा weird है. I want you to know squares up till 32. क्यों ऐसे एक random number 20 नहीं, 25 नहीं, 30 नहीं? ये 32 का क्या significance है? Anybody wants to tell me in the chat? Why 32? What is the significance of 32? Yeah, waiting for anybody to tell me in the chat. Why 32? What is so weird? What is that different about that number? Okay, why 32? Let me explain to you. Nobody said in the chat anything. So people are slightly lost. What is 30 square? Everybody knows 900. 31 square is 961. And 32 square is 1024. So 32 is the first number. No, it's not my lucky number. 32 is the first number where a 2-digit number ka square becomes a 4-digit number. Okay? 31 tak, the square is a 3-digit number, and 32 pe it becomes a 4-digit number. So that's the only reason. Obviously, other logic of 32 is 32 square is 2 raised to 5 raised to 2, which will become 2 raised to 10, and you will also know that 2 raised to 10 is 1024. Okay? See, ये सब चीजें भी मालूम होनी चाहिए ना कब, when is it going to change? So 32 पे it becomes a 4-digit number. Like then 100 square will be 10,000, which will be a 5-digit number. Then कभी सोचना बैठ के कि कब जाके 6-digit number होता है, and so on. So obviously I'll teach you a lot of ways of finding squares, very different methods I'll talk about finding squares. Square roots. Okay, I don't want to know so many decimals. 2 decimals are more than enough. Root 2, 1.414. Root 3, 1.732. यहाँ पे you can know 3 decimals good. उसके बाद even if you know 2 decimals more than enough. So this is approximately 2.24. This is approximately 2.45. 2.65, 2.83. Know your squares, okay? Then know your cubes up to 20. What is the values of cubes? Like 2 cube is 8, 6 cube is 216, 9 cube is 729, 18 cube is 5832, 20 cube is 8000. Right? Now, okay, I've been trying to memorize squares and take since and tables since 1 month. Seems very difficult. What happens now, most of y'all have got so used to the calculator that y'all have just given up memorizing things in life. Start making the effort, it will come. You have a good amount of time, take that effort. It will happen slowly. Powers of 2, very important. I want you to know this. And up till at least 10, maybe ज़्यादा भी. Maybe 2 raised to 12 तक भी. 2 raised to 10 is 1024, अभी पीछे किया. 2 raised to 11 is 2048. 2 raised to 12 is 4096. Maybe even 1 or 2 more, not a bad idea. Power of 3, up to 8. Okay, at least till 8. 3 raised to 8 is same as 3 raised to 4 का square, which will become 81 का square. 81 का square is 6561. First page is just about what I expect you to know. Powers of 5. If anybody had done this well, CAT 25 में there was one question about the sum of the digits where 5 raised to 6 was needed. 5 raised to 6 was needed, जिसका आंसर था 390625, something like that. Okay, not 390 something. 5 raised to 6 या no 5 raised to 7, 8 was needed. CAT 25 का जो नंबर था उसमें 5 raised to 8 was needed. 5 raised to 8. So it is 78,125 into 1 more 5. ये हम ऐसे भी we will do one extra class on this separately. Approximation, converting fractions to percentage. This is the most important thing. Very, very important, which we are not covering today, but we'll have one extra class called as approximation. I will teach you how to approximate things, and this is very important. Okay, now starting with the actual calculations and everything, pay attention. Let's start learning to multiply a number with 5. Obviously initially very simple examples. Don't give me answers. I don't want anybody to give me answers in the chat. I just want people to pay attention and think. 36 5s. Most of you all maybe might know it orally, but that's okay. What I want you to do, whenever you want to multiply a number n with 5, don't multiply. First divide n with 2. First divide n with 2, that will make it half, and then just multiply by 10. That means put a 0. So in this case, what is half of 36? Half of 36 is 18. So 18 and multiply by 10. So put 1 0. Answer is 180. So whenever you have to do a इवन नंबर तो यही मेथड है, पहले इवन नंबर पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करेंगे, देन आई कम टू ऑड नंबर. लेट्स टेक वन मोर नंबर, 758 multiply by 5. So first make it half. So 379, right? If I make it half, half means divide by 2. 2 3s are, 2 7s are, 2 9s are. 379 and 1 0. One more example. The live is not stuck, Jay Lakshmi. I think I can see myself. So I'm assuming most of you all can see. You just maybe need to refresh. 644 multiplied by 5. What happens? 644 multiplied by 5, make it half. 322 and then just put a 0. Okay, everybody else, somebody reply to Jay Lakshmi that the live is on. So 36 5s, we saw 180. We saw a lot of examples. Why don't you all try one question? What about 278 multiplied by 5? Come on, now you all can give me the answer in the chat. 278 multiplied by 5. Okay, 278 multiplied by 5 will become 1390. I put down 4 more questions for you, 3 more questions for you all. Next one. Ranjan, the next one is wrong. Next one will be 38340. Ranjan, you made a mistake. 38340. Next one. Two four 120. And last one 19880. 19880. Please look at your calculations properly. Tejaswani, look at your calculation properly. Check whether you all understood. And all those who are lagging behind, just refresh your feed once. If you're like 5 seconds also behind, it will be a problem. Because then your chat may, your answers are coming in very late. Everybody clear with even numbers? Enough examples? Let me know yes or no. If you feel enough examples, just say yes. Then I will show you for odd number. Okay, let's go to the next one. Suppose I want to do 73 multiplied by 5. Okay, now just pay attention. Start dividing the same way. If I start dividing the same way, if you're dividing by 2, we know 73 is not divisible by 2. But kitna hoga? 3, 6. Right? Forget the decimal. 3, 6. Right? Now, forget the decimal and instead of 0, just put a 5. I'll repeat. You make half of 73. Half of 73 is 36 point something. Forget that point and just put a 5 in the answer. So 36 and 5. If I say 123 multiplied by 5. So 61. Forget everything else, just put a 5. What about the next one? Suppose 615 multiplied by 5. So 307. 307, forget the decimal, forget the remainder, just put a 5. Chalo, I've given enough examples. Check one example, two example, and third example. Check whether you all understood. और एक चाहिए तो और एक कर सकते हैं. 5793 multiply by 5. 5793 multiply by 5. So 2896, and then forget the decimal, put a 5. I think lot of people are still lagging behind. So I would request everybody, close the video, restart it. Cool, let's start. You all try some examples. You all try 2 questions quickly. Just try these 2 questions and then also answer multiply by 5, answer multiply by 5. So 4 questions you have. This is also, I'm going to change it, 1375. 1375 into 5. I just changed the question, Shreya. Shreyaswal, not Shreya, whatever. 1375 into 5. I've changed the question, so please look at the changed question. 6875. 3375. Again one more, 6875 into 5. 34375. 34375. And your 3375 into 5. 16775. Oh, sorry, 16875. My bad. 16875. Are we clear, everybody? So multiplication of 5, enough examples done. एक last करना है तो कर लो. 74285 multiply by 5. एक last question, then I'll move ahead. युगान गुप्ता, कौन से आंसर का आंसर तुम्हारा 22915 आया? प्लीज चेक करो. युगान, प्लीज चेक. योर आंसर इज रॉन्ग. सो दिस विल बी 371425. डिविजन, नॉर्मल डिविजन कर रहा हूं मैं 2 से एंड देन पुटिंग अ 5 एट द एंड. Everybody clear with multiplication with 5? So multiplication with 5 done. So I wanted to make a list of things we are learning today. First we did multiplication with 5. First thing which we will learn today is multiplication with 5. Okay. Now multiplication 5 के enough examples हो गए. So now coming to multiplication with 25. Now tell me, pay attention everybody. Let's see how many people know this. Do you all know your divisibility test for 4? How many people know their divisibility test for 4? How do you check if a number is divisible by 4 or not? Quickly, I'm asking you all something. How do you know if a number is divisible by 4 or not? Anybody remembers? Last 2 digits have to be divisible by 4. Right? Last 2 digits have to be divisible by 4. So now, just for example, if I give you a number 768, suppose I give you a number like 768, is 768 divisible by 4? My question is that. ये भूल जाओ, multiplication of 25 को भूल जाओ भी. Is 768 divisible by 4? Niharika, you are wrong. I have explained. Divisibility test for 4 is last 2 digits have to be divisible by 4. Wrong. Saloni, wrong. एक ही rule है. Last 2 digits have to be divisible by 4. Is 768 divisible by 4? It is divisible by 4. Start dividing. What will I get? 4 ones are 4. 4 nines are 36 and 2. Now, but our question, this is the dividing by 4 kiya. But suppose our question is 768 multiplied by 25. Then what will be the answer? If it is divisible by 4, then you will just put 0, 0. You will always just put 0, 0. So answer will be 768 multiplied by 25, 19200. Okay? और एक example लेते हैं. 4284. 4284. 84. Is 84 divisible by 4? Yes, 84 is divisible by 4. So divide by 4. What will you get if you divide by 4? 1071. Because it was divisible by 4, you will just put 2 zeros, 107100. There is no. I don't know why people are saying no. 768 was divisible by 4 and 4284 is also divisible by 4. So 4284 multiplied by 25, 107100. But what if I took a number like this? 737. 737 multiplied by 25 करना है. Now, even before I start, don't divide, wait. 37, is it divisible by 4? No, it is not divisible by 4. But when you divide 37 by 4, you get a remainder 1. तो तुम्हारे दिमाग में ये याद रखो, remainder कितना है? Remainder 1 है. 37 divided by 4, remainder is 1. So you just keep in your mind 1. Okay? Now start dividing by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 eights are 32. 4 fours are 16. Remainder कितना है? 1 है. Whenever remainder is 1, at the end you will put 25. So if remainder is 1, at the end you will, instead of 2 zeros, you will put 25. If remainder is 2, at the end you will put 50. If remainder is 3, at the end you will put 75. And if remainder is 0, there cannot be remainder 4. If you are dividing by 4, your remainder can't be 0. If remainder is 0, you will put 0, 0. Session will be beyond 10 o'clock. Huh? Session will be slightly longer. So, now let's check some other question. 1875 multiply by 25. So 75 divided by 4. 75 divided by 4, remainder is 3. 75 divided by 4, remainder is 3. So start the same method. 4 fours are 16, 2. 4 sixes are 24, 3. 4 eights are 32, 3 remainder, and as soon as you get 3 remainder, you will have to put 75. Because 3 remainder, you will have to put 75. Remainder is 3, so you will put 75. One more question, then we'll move ahead. 7682 multiply by 25. 82 divided by 4, remainder is 2. 80 goes in 4, after that remainder is 2. So start dividing. 4 ones are 4, 3, 4 nines are 36, 4 twos are 0, does not go into, so 0, so remainder is 2, and because remainder is 2, at the end you will put 50, 192050. So remainder is 3, that is why we put 75. When remainder is 3, we will put 75, remainder is 2, so we will put 50. Prashant, are you clear? Prashant, quickly let me know, are you clear? Okay, chalo. So 25 is also clear. So what are the rules we have learned up till now? Multiplication by 5, multiplication by 25. 25 के लिए ये rule याद रखना है. So now we are going to do squares, and this will be one of the most important things we are doing today. So pay attention very carefully. First, most common thing, 35 square or any number ending with 5 ka square. रिमाइंडर 3 था इसलिए 75 आया प्रशांत. No, it's you forgot a 0, Jay Lakshmi. 1920 and then 50. Okay, 35 square. Everybody just pay attention. This is the most easy thing and the most important thing. Very important. Whenever you are taking square of a number ending with 5, you will always put 25 at the end first. What comes after 3? What comes after 3? 3 के बाद आता है 4. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. Answer is 1225. Let's have a look at it one more time. 75 square. 25 at the end. What comes after 7? 8. 7 8s are 56. Remember, this works only for 5. This works only for 5. Tell me what will be 95 square. Come on, tell me the answer for 95 square. What comes after 9? 9 के बाद आता है 10. So 90 and 25. Can I do with this method? Can I do 125 का square? Yes, you can. इसमें consider 12 as a single number. 12 as the main number. What comes after 12? What comes after 12? 12 के बाद आता है 13. 12 13s are 156, 25. So it's not that you can do it only for 2 digit, you can do for 3 digit also if you understand the logic carefully. So I can do 205 ka square also like this. How? 25 will come at the end. What comes after 20? 20 के बाद आता है 21. So 20 into 21 is 420. So 42025. Everybody clear? This is very, very useful. यानी जहां पे भी 5 का स्क्वायर चाहिए, every time use this method. No, this is applied only for numbers ending with 5 ka square. This is applied for only numbers ending with 5 ka square. With this, tell me what is 295 ka square. Using this method, tell me what is 295 ka square. So 25 will come at the end. 29 into 30. How much is 29 into 30? You should be able to know, do orally. 29 30s are 29 3s is 87. So 29 30s is 870. 87025. Everybody clear? Cool. Going ahead. Now one special method for numbers ending with 1. Abhi thodi der pehle I told you how to find 30. I told you the answer for 31 square. Let's see what is the method to do it. 870. Roy. Not 871. Everybody pay attention to 31 square. First you will write 1 at the end as it is. Then you take this digit 3. इसको दो चीज करनी है. पहले 3 का डबल करना है. 3 का डबल is 6. There is no carry over. 3 का डबल is 6. There is no carry over. And then 3 का square. What is square of 3? 9. I'll repeat. First 1 will come. Then double of 3. Double of 3 is 6. There is no carry over. So you'll write only 6. And then square of 3, which is 9. So answer is 961. Let's try 41 in the same method. 1 will come as it is. Double of 4. Double of 4 is 8. And then square of 4 is 16. I'm just waiting till you'll understand this. Then I'll show you one next one, जो थोड़ा different होगा. Now, but when I do for 71, it will be a slight problem. 1 तो आएगा, no problem. What is double of 7? Double of 7 is 14. So you don't write 14, you write only 4 and you say 1 carry over. Double of 7 is 14, so but you write only 4 and you say 1 carry over. 7 square is 49. 7 square is 49. 49 plus this 1 carry over, 50. Everybody just go through this carefully. Understand the carry over ka rule. 7 ka double is 14, so 4 will come here and 1 carry over, and so on. Based on this, you all try on your own and tell me 91 ka square. (91 ka square). 1 to will come. Shashank 5041, not 5941. Okay, 1 will come. What is double of 9? Double of 9 is 18. 1 carry over. 9 square is 81. 81 plus 1, 82. Can I do, using this method, can I do 121 ka square? Maybe I can do. If you pay attention. What is 121 ka square? 1 will come. What is double of 12? Double of 12 is 24. So 2 carry over. What is square of 12? 144. 144 plus 2. 146. So I can do even 141 by this method, not very difficult. 1 as it is, 14 ka double 28, 2 carry over. 14 square I should know orally, 196, 196 plus 2, 198. $146 Shival. टू कैरी ओवर था, यहाँ पे 19881. लास्ट ऐसे ही रैंडम 221 का स्क्वायर, 1 as it is, double of 22, 44, so 4 carry over. 22 square I know orally, maybe you all don't know, but if you all don't know then no point. 22 square 484, 484 plus 4, 484 plus 4, 488, 48841. Cool. So everybody understood. Let's make a list of what all we learned up till now. We learned multiplication by 5, multiplication by 25, square ending with 5, square ending with 1. Now, next thing. ये सब हो गया अपना. Now, suppose somebody had to tell me कि सर आज के क्लास में मुझे सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ याद करना है. What would you say? What is the most important thing to learn from today's class? If there was only one thing, then I would say I want you to learn this thing. Any two-digit number का method. Pay attention. Not very easy, but just pay attention. Practice करोगे तो आ जाएगा. 73 square. So start from right hand side. Take 3 square first. So step 1. First take 3 square. 3 square is 9. So that's your last digit over here, 9. Luckily there is no carryover. If there was carryover, you would have one more digit. 9. Step 2. 7 multiply by 3, multiply by this 2 also on the top. So step 2, 7 multiply by 3, multiply by 2. 7 3s are 21, 21 2s are 42. 42. So you write only 2 and 4 carry over. ये पूरा लिखना नहीं है, ये पूरा माइंड में होना चाहिए. ये सिर्फ समझाने के लिए बता रहा हूं. स्टेप 3, 7 स्क्वायर 49, 49 plus this 4, 53, 5329. Okay, pay attention to one more. Just let this seep in for a minute. Just go through it carefully and then we will do one more. 84 square. 4 square is 16. So 1 carry over. 8 4s are 32. 32 2s are 64. 64 plus 1. 65. 6 carry over. 8 square 64. 64 plus 6. 70. 7056. Check whether you all have understood this. 7056. I don't know where you got 4 6 from, Anjali. Check your mistake. I think you forgot the carryover, Anjali. 8 4s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 plus 1 carryover tha. So 65. Anjali, please let me know yes or no you understood or not. 88 square. 8 square 64, 6 carry over. Keep the carry over, don't forget the carry over. 8 8s are 64, 64 2s are 128. 8 8s are 64, 64 2s are 128. 128 plus this 6. 128 plus 6 is 134. 13 carry over. I am explaining so many examples. Jayalakshmi, pay attention. 8 square again 64. 64 plus 13, 77. Look at the steps. इसीलिए मैंने ये steps लिखे हैं side पे. Pay attention to this part. Okay, teaching one more example. ऐसे कोई random number ले रहा हूँ. 56 square. 6 square is 36. 3 carry over. 6 square is 36. So 3 carry over, 6 comes over here. 5 6 are 30, 32 are 60. 5 6 are 30, 32 are 60. 60 plus 3, 63. 6 carry over again. 5 square 25. 5 square 25. 25 plus 6, 31. दो जिनका आंसर रॉन्ग आया. 3136. Yugan, check your method. Anjali, check your method one more time. Every time you should write the carry over on the side so you don't forget it. चलो 75 स्क्वायर ये वाले मेथड से ट्राई करते थे. दूसरे मेथड से तुमको आता है. दूसरे मेथड से क्या था? 7 के बाद क्या आता है? 8. 7 8s are 56 and 25. But if I am doing by this method, 5 square 25, only 5, 2 carry over. 7 5s are 35, 35 2s are 70. 70 plus 2, 72. 7 carry over. 7 square 49. 49 plus 7, 56. 5625. सेम. एक तो ये 7 का मेथड 5 का मेथड सिखाया. 7 के बाद क्या आता है? 8. 7 8s are 56 and 25. No, this method which I am teaching is applicable for everything. This method I am teaching is applicable for every single thing. चलो लास्ट एक करते हैं. 68 square. Why add 2? Because 2 was the carry over. I added 2 Devansh because 2 was the carry over. वापस एक बार देखो 68 square के साथ. Everybody, all those who are joining in late or seeing it later, check. Step 1, 8 square, 64, where 6 will be carry over, so only 4 you will write here. Okay. Step 2, 6 multiply by 8 multiply by 2. 6 8s are 48, 48 2s are 96. 6 8s are 48, 48 2s are 96. 96 plus 6. 96 plus 6. 102. You will write only 2. 10 carry over. Step 3. 6 square. 36 plus the 10. 46. 4624. Did you all understand now? Check properly. Everybody understood? Slowly I went through the whole thing one more time. So we did enough of this now. घर पे बैठ के you can keep trying, practicing for any number. By the way, maybe, just maybe, it can work for this also. 123 square. इसमें कैसे सोचना है? 12 as a separate number and 3 as a separate number. So पहले नंबर को 12 समझो and second नंबर को 3. So step 1, 3 square, 9. No carryover. 3 square, 9, no carryover. Step 2, 12 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. 72. 2, 7 carryover. Step 3, 12 square, 144 plus the 7, 151, 15129. Arey Devansh, okay. By the way, where does this formula? I'll explain why it comes. Y multiplied by 2, I'll explain. Chalo. Okay. By the way, if anybody has understood where this is coming from, suppose we were doing it for 68 square. Everybody pay attention where this comes from. It comes from a plus b the whole square ka formula. What is a plus b the whole square ka formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. But we are starting ulta order. We are starting from here. This formula, this comes from here. A square plus 2ab plus b square. 8 square is 64, that is b square. 4 and 6 carry. 2ab. So 6 8s are 48, 48 2s are 96, 96 plus 6, 102. 10 carry. Then a square, 6 square, 36, 36 plus 10, 46. Now Devansh, clear? Okay. Okay. Now coming to the next stuff. Multiplication of a 2-digit number with another 2-digit number. So suppose you have 72 multiplied by 24. कुछ random सा number लिया है. Pay attention. Everybody pay attention. The method is this. Step 1, multiply this number with this number. Step 2, जो main step है, cross multiply and add. And step 3, multiply with this number with this number. Every time you will put only one digit and you will keep carrying forward. So, step 1, 4 2s are 8. ये वाला step. 4 2s are 8. No carryover. Good. ये step हो गया. Then cross multiply and add. 7 4s are 28 plus 2 2s are 4. 7 4s are 28 plus 2 2s are 4. Cross multiply and add. So 7 4s are 28 plus 2 2s are 4. 28 plus 4 is 32. 3 carry over. 2 7s are 14. Last step. Plus the 3. 14 plus 3, 17. 1728. One seven two eight. 68 multiplied by 24 again चलो, या 26 लेते, वापस 4 क्यों लेंगे, 26 6 8s are step 1, 6 8s are 48, 4 carry, 36 plus 16, 36 plus 16 is 52, 52 plus the 4, 56, 5 carry, 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 5 17, go through it once more carefully. 6 8s are 48, 4 carry, 36 plus 16, 52, 52 plus 4 56, 5 carry, 12 plus 5 17, 1768. $73 into 58. No, I'm not. 8 3s are 24. 2 carry. 56 plus 15. 56 plus 15 is 71. 71 plus 2 is 73. 7 carry. 35. 35 plus 7, 42. Method is same. 8 3s are 24. 4 and 2 carry. 56 plus 15, 71. 71 plus 2, 73. 7 carry. 35. 35 plus 7, 42. Come on, you all try. Come on, you all try this. 65 into 91. Come on, I'm waiting for you all to give me answer. Okay, let's check. 1 5s are 5. No carryover. 6 plus 45. 51. 5 carry. 54 plus 5. 59. ये वाला मेथड बहुत प्रैक्टिस करो. प्रैक्टिस नेक्स्ट 2 months के लिए एवरी डे 5 क्वेश्चंस और एटलीस्ट 3 क्वेश्चंस. चलो, एवरी डे 3 क्वेश्चंस. ओके, 5951 नहीं, 5915. अभिषेक, कम ऑन, ये दोनों का आंसर्स निकालो. $24, 2 carry. 9 plus 64. 9 plus 64 is 73. 73 plus 2 is 75. 7 carry. 24 plus 7, 31. 0 कहाँ से आ गया श्रेया? 0 कहाँ से आएगा इस सब में? 3 8s are 24. 2 carry. 9 plus 64, 73. 73 plus 2, 75. 7 carry. 24 plus 7, 31. By the way, the next one, I don't want you to do this method. Come on. Next one, I don't want you to do this method. I want you to think a little bit. जब भी multiples of 5 और सब होता है ना, that time don't use this method. Write 48 as 12 fours and write 75 as 25 threes. 48 into 75, right? 48 as 12 fours 75 as 25 threes 12 threes are 36 and 25 fours are 100. So 0 0. Twelve threes are 36, 25 fours are 100, 0 0. Such a nice method, no? Whenever you have multiples of 5 and an even number, always think like this. Just for example, अगर next time ऐसे random again number ले रहा हूँ. Say you have 55 into 26. At least do this much. 5 into 11 into 2 into 13. 13 11 शायद अपने टेबल्स के हिसाब से ओरली आता होगा. What is 13 11 143? 143 and 10. 1430. So whenever you have a multiple of 5, say 45 into 62. So then you will do 9 into 5, 2 into 31. 31 nines are, you can do orally. 31 nines are, 30 nines are 270, 270 plus 9, 2790. Okay, chalo, let's go ahead. Enough examples कर लिए इसके. Coming to a very nice, interesting part. You all will like this. Pay attention carefully. 93 multiplied by 97. Everybody pay attention carefully. Stop whatever you're doing and pay attention. This method is applicable to multiply two numbers. This method is applicable to multiply two numbers which are both close to 100. So, what is 93 minus 100? What is 93 minus 100? 93 minus 100 is minus 7 and 97 minus 100 is minus 3. Now look at the magic. Everybody just pay attention. 93 minus 100 is minus 7. 97 minus 3 is minus 3. Cross add anywhere. यहाँ पे भी करोगे तो भी चलेगा, यहाँ पे भी करोगे तो भी चलेगा. So what is 93 minus 3 or 97 minus 7? Both are same only. 93 minus 3 is also 90 and 97 minus 7 is also 90. So 90 और ये दो numbers को multiply कर दो. 7 3s are 21. हो गया आंसर. This is like one of the best things you can do. Smartest way to do things. Let's look at one more number. 95 into 94 पहले, बाद में और थोड़े दूर वाले भी करेंगे, पहले 95 into 94. Looks like, what is this? I didn't get that, whatever you wrote like. So this is minus 4 minus 6. Minus 4 minus 5 minus 6. 95 minus 6 or 94 minus 5. Both are 89. 8930. 8930. Everybody clear till here? Okay, let's take one more example. 95 into 84. Minus 5 minus 16. 16, 84 minus 5. ये भी कर सकते हो, वो भी कर सकते हो. 84 minus 5. 79. 16 5s are 80. इसमें एक प्रॉब्लम भी आएगा. I'll explain the problem. Everybody clear till here at least? I can use this method even if I want to do like a 99 into 67. चलेगा यहाँ पे भी. $99 minus 100 minus 1. 67 minus 100 minus 33. 67 minus 1 66. 33 ones are 33. 6633. Can anybody think when will this method be a problem? Like for example, if I chose to do 88 multiply by 91, no not 91, say 89. 88 multiplied by 89, यहाँ पे थोड़ा problem होगा. Now don't do, pay attention. This is minus 12 minus 11. Positive में problem नहीं होगा, negative में ही यहाँ पे भी problem होगा. What is 12 11s? 12 11s is 132. So you'll have to write 32 and 1 carry over. So it will be 32 and 1 carry over. That is the problem. Baki method is same. 89 minus 12, 77. 77 plus 1, 78. Jairam, you are lagging behind a lot. Maybe you just need to refresh it once. So whenever there is a carry forward, thoda sa method is not that great. Suppose if I want to do this for 86 multiplied by 86. So this is negative 14, negative 14. 14 14s is 196. 14 14s is 196. So 96 and 1 carry over. 86 minus 4, 14 sorry. 86 minus 14, 72. 72 plus 1, 73. 7396. So whenever there is a carryover, the method is not that great. It is still good, but not very, very good. By the way, obviously you can use it for squares also, all which are close to 100. At least till 91 से 100 तो सब ये method से कर सकते हैं square. Can we do squares also by this method? Like if I want to do 91 square. So minus 9, 9 nines are 81. No carry over, no problem. 91 minus 9, 82. 8281. You should be quick now. 94 into 94. Minus 6 minus 6. 36. 94 minus 6, 88. 8836. Can you see the speed at which you can do once you are used to it? Oh, you can't do 68 into 72. Why? You can do, but the problem is they are very far from 100. You're looking for numbers which are close to 100. We have to look at numbers which are close to 100. So I would suggest 82, 83 तक ये method try करो, उसके नीचे ये method मत try करो. Unless ऐसा कुछ है, 98 multiply by 65 कर सकते हो. One number very close to 100, one number far from 100. Can do. Minus 2, minus 35. 35 2s are 70. 65 minus 2, 63. 6370. Are we clear, everybody? Everybody clear? Chalo. Last couple of things. So less than 100 हो गए, अभी more than 100. Method is same. 104 into 105. No change in method. What is 104 minus 100 plus 4 this time? And plus 5. 4 5s are 20. No problem. 105 plus 4, yeah, 104 plus 5. Same thing. 109. This time addition. उधर भी ऐड ही कर रहे थे, but there was a minus sign. 105 plus 4, 109. 10920. 108 into 111 plus 8 plus 11. 11 8s are 88. 111 plus 8, 119. Right? We can use it for squares also. 106 into 106 plus 6 plus 6, 36. 106 plus 6, 112. I hope everybody is getting things. बड़ा नंबर होगा तो कैसे करेंगे? 112 into 112. Carry over rule will apply. Plus 12 plus 12. 12 12s are 144. 1 carry. 112 plus 12. 124. 124 plus 1, 125. Hundred and three into 128. So plus 3 plus 28. 28 3s are 84. 128 plus 3, 131. Don't forget the carryover, okay? Whenever there is a carryover, don't forget that. Come on, you all try these two sums on your own quickly. Give me the answer for these two sums. When the first student writes the answer, I'll write it over here. So I'm waiting for you all to do. Very good. Drishti is written 74 and 139. 13974. Good. What about here? $32, 1 carryover. 123 plus 1, 124. 12432. I'm liking it that people are not making mistake. Good. Very nice. So right now, not for today, I taught you both less than 100. Both more than 100. You can use it for one less than 100, one more than 100, but that's a slightly difficult thing. We'll do it next time. Okay. Avni, check your mistake. What's the mistake you made? 111 plus 12 is 123. 123 plus 1, 124. Avni. Okay. Let's go ahead. Multiplication by 11. Let's first take some simple numbers. How do you multiply 63 with 11? What's the shortcut? How do you multiply 63 with 11? What do you do in such a case? What is 6 plus 3? 6 plus 3 is 9. Then 6 and back 3 here. That's the answer. 6 plus 3, 9 in the middle. 6 here, 3 here. That's it. What can you do if you have to do like that? 52 multiplied by 11. 52 multiplied by 11. What will you get? Yeah, you can do that also. Drishti, there's nothing wrong with that, but I'm just teaching you something else. What is 5 plus 2? 7. 5 in its place, 2 in its place. This is still, there is no carryover. You can do 71 into 11. 7 plus 1, 8. 7 here and 1 here. When there is a carryover, there is a slight problem. 68 into 11. 6 plus 8, 14. So just remember one carryover. 6 plus 8, 14. So one carryover. Okay. Now the 8 will come here, but instead of 6, you will get a 7 because 6 plus 1, 7. I'll repeat this one. I'll repeat 68 into 11 one more time. 68 into 11. 6 plus 8, 14. So you just put a 4 over here. 8 will come as it is. 1 carry over. So 6 plus 1, 7. What about 78 into 11? 78 into 11. 8 will obviously come as it is. 7 plus 8, 15. 5, 1 carry over. So 8. Last one of this method. 93 into 11. 3 will come as it is. 9 plus 3, 12. 2 and 1 carry over. 9 plus 1, 10. Everybody clear? This is for 2-digit numbers multiplied by 11. All 2-digit numbers multiplied by 11 can be done by this method. Obviously, we can do bigger digits also. Pay attention. Okay, chalo. Good. Now let's take a bigger number. 7589 multiplied by 11. Now pay attention. This method I called as number plus neighbor. In this method, just in the starting, put a 0 first. Suppose you want to do 7589 multiplied by 11. You will look for a neighbor on the right side. 9 will come as it is because 9 has no neighbor on the right side. 8 plus 9. How much is 8 plus 9? 17. So 7 and 1 carry over. I'll repeat. 8 plus 9, 17. So 7 and 1 carry over. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 1 carry over wala tha 14. 1 carry over. 12 plus 1, 13. 3 and 1 carry over. 0 plus 7, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. And that's your answer. Check once properly. Have you understood? Try the next one. Put a 0 in the front. 9 will come as it is. 7 plus 9, 16. 6 and 1 carry over. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 1 carry over. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. No carry over. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 carry over. 0 plus 8, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. नेक्स्ट वन यही नंबर करते हैं 918269 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 11 0 9 comes as it is 6 plus 9 15 1 carry over 8 plus 1 9 0 carry over 8 plus 2 10 1 carry over 8 plus 2 10 1 carry over 1 plus 8 9 9 plus 1 10 again 1 carry over 10 plus 1 11 1 carry over 9 plus 1 10 Vipul, check where you made a mistake. Everybody understood this? Come on, you all get me the answer. 8 as it is, 3 plus 8, 11, 1 carry over, 12 plus 1, 13, 1 carry over, 14 plus 1, 15, 1 carry over, 12 plus 1, 13, 1 carry over, 7 plus 1, 8. Have you understood, everybody? So is multiplication by 11 clear? Are we clear with multiplication by? Chalo, next one. We all know 11 square is 121. वो तो कोई problem नहीं है. But how do you do 111 का square? How do you do 111 का square? How many ones are there? 3 ones, no? There are 3 ones. So what you do, you write 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. ऐसे भी ये last चीज है. If it is lagging behind, anyway, this is the last thing we're learning today. So if there are 4 ones, what will be the answer? No. Unknown student 1331, wrong answer. 4 1 का square will be 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. 5 ones का square, 5 1 का square 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. Five 1 का square 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. I'll repeat. If there are 4 ones, you have to write 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. What is such a number called? It is called a palindrome. जो आगे से भी सेम होता है, पीछे से भी सेम होता है. It will be called a palindrome. Clear? Chalo. Based on that, if I ask you what is the square root of this number, what will you get? यहाँ पे कितने 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 तक है, which means there were 9 ones. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is the answer. Square root of this number is 1 2 1 9 times. Yeah, I realized. Everybody clear? एक और करना है एक्स्ट्रा स्पेशल केस, तो टाइम पास के लिए कर लेते हैं. व्हाट इज 99 स्क्वायर? 99 स्क्वायर में एक, बिकॉज 2 9 है ना, तो यहां पे एक 9 एक 1 8 and 0. I'll repeat. 99 square, there are 2 9s. So you write 1 9 1 1 and बीच में 8 and 0. यहाँ पे 999 है. So you write 2 9s, 2 1s, 8 0 एक ही बार. इसका आंसर चेक करो. Somebody open the calculator and check the answer for this. 999 का square, I'll check. Oh, so sorry, my bad. ये wrong है. 2 0 एक 1. My bad, sorry. और एक करते 4 9 का स्क्वायर. 999 8 999 8 000 1. Triple 8 000 1. Again, I am checking. 4 9 into 4 9. 999 8 000 1. What if there is one more 9? What if there are 5 9s, 4 9s, 8, 4 zeros, 1? That's it. That's it for today, everybody. Thank you. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the class. कुछ भी नहीं करना है इसमें, जितने नाइन्स है, सी पे अटेंशन. दो वाला भूल जाओ, चलो 3 9 है, सो 2 9 1 8 2 zeros and 1. 2 9s 2 zeros, 8 और 1 तो एक ही बार आएगा सब में. यहाँ पे 4 9s है, तो 3 9 8 3 0 and 1, तो 11 and 9. ऐसा कुछ आएगा ही नहीं. 9 1 8 3 6 9 ऐसा कुछ आएगा ही नहीं. 5 9, तो यहाँ पे 4 9 8 1 2 3 4 and 1. Okay, thank you everybody. Thank you so much. I've explained this one more time also, the last thing. Cool. Bye bye. See you all everybody. You can let us know if you have any issues. Bye. Good night.